Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we are going to do Xiaomi Type-C earphones unboxing and review. The price of these earphones is between 5 and let's say 7-8 dollars. The price differs from the country you are buying these earphones from. So let's move directly and start our unboxing. So first of all, like the box of them is just like normal box, nothing fancy, nothing like super. And of course we can explain this by the price of these earphones. They are like extremely cheap. And what we find in the box is the earphone like themselves. And to be honest, like there is like nothing different between them and the other earphones. Even the cable of them is just like made from normal plastic, so nothing special about them. And this, like, let's open them. So this is the earphones. So same here, it's all made from plastic. So here we can find like the microphone and also these 3 buttons that you can use like for your media to add volume or to reduce volume or to move to the next song or something like that. What else do we have in the box? We have also this small bag, and in this small bag there is those plastic pieces that like the pieces like this one, so you can replace them if your ear is a little bit smaller or bigger, so you can use or you can change for the other plastics. And what else? There is the book, of course, the book that no one's read. And that's it. That's all what you can find like in the box of these earphones. And like I said, for this price you cannot like expect something premium or something like very special. It's just a normal earphone. And in the next videos we are going to do a test for the microphone of these earphones to check if the quality of it is good or not. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.